We're in the connect section here, new feedback, and I'm going to respond with a template here. So if we look at this first response here from Toby, we're going to view for response, and we see that Toby's 65 or older, male, and he likes the cleanliness, but he's pretty neutral about everything else, but he hasn't given any other comments apart from the fact that his most valued amenity is cardio equipment. So I'm going to respond, and if you have email templates built into your system, you can click on that. If you don't, you go to custom response, and what I do, I keep the templates in a second document, so that can be Word or it can be Google Docs, and I just go to it. So I've got it on another screen here, and I select the content and just copy it, and then I come back and insert it. Okay, so hello Toby, thanks for your feedback, and then I insert the content here and take out anything that's superfluous. And if you can see here, because Toby did not give me a comment, this template's set up with options. So if positive comment, you can insert this. Well, we don't have a positive comment, we don't have any comment. If negative comment, insert this. We don't have a negative comment either. But if no comment, then you insert this piece. And we would really appreciate any feedback you could provide on your experience at, and then you insert your club name. Now, if you're there, your templates, then you're already going to have your club name set up in it, okay? So this is really more as an example. So let's say the club is Brisbane Club, and yours in health and fitness, and your signature will be inserted automatically. So that's how to use a template. So that would normally take 15 seconds, 20 seconds maybe to cut and chop. So it's pretty simple. But again, we've said hello to Toby, thanks for your feedback, really appreciate he's a member and he's taken the time to respond and provide feedback. We'd really appreciate any feedback you can provide in your experience at Brisbane Club so that we may better serve you in the future. So what we're trying to do here is get Toby to give us a little bit of information about why he's giving us these neutral scores, because our goal ultimately is to turn Toby from a passively satisfied person to a promoter, and promoters are 9s and 10s, and that's sort of what we're shooting for. We can't get there if we don't know what Toby's hot buttons are. Okay, so that's it. So then we press send, and off it goes, and you just go back to new feedback. But you can see here in Toby's information that is logged, that email's logged.